So hey everyone, recently Motorola unveiled a number of smartphones in China including the Razr 2022, the Edge X30 Pro which will be known as the Edge 30 Ultra internationally and the Moto Edge S30 Pro. As a member of the Edge line, these phones are anticipated to see a large distribution. And I'm really excited for the Moto Edge S30 Pro because it has some awesome features and the price will make you smile. First, I would like to inform you that the Edge S30 Pro will be released internationally as the Moto Edge 30 Fusion. Yes, it is confirmed. Tipster Evan Blass published claimed Edge 30 Fusion renders, which although having slightly different branding have a striking resemblance to the Moto S30 Pro. If you remember, the codename Tandra is said to have been used during the creation of this device. Now let me tell you what makes it special and powerful. The Moto Edge 30 Fusion will be powered by the Snapdragon 888 Plus as we know, which is a last year's Q4 flagship chipset built on TSMC's 5nm technology. The 888 Plus will improve gaming and artificial intelligence in premium 5G phones. And here is the phone's Antutu score, which is almost close to the 8 Gen 1. Not only that, but this images reveals Dolby Atmos branding along with the phone's top edge and a large 50 megapixel label next to the main camera, which has a 1x1.55 inches sensor, pixel binning capability and optical image stabilization. If the China and global models are the same, the Moto Edge 30 Fusion will most likely have a 6.55 inches Full HD Plus OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling rate and DC dimming support. The phone will most likely include up to 12 gigs of RAM and up to 256 gigs of internal storage. In terms of software, the Edge 30 Fusion will ship with Android 12 out of the box. With all of these features, the most important question rises: what is the device pricing? Well, Motorola has won the hearts of customers by launching the Moto Edge S30 Pro for a starting price of 1,999 Chinese yuans. According to me, this is a pretty reasonable price for all of these features. We will have to wait and see what the global pricing of the phone will be based on the country and taxes. So what do you think about this Moto Edge 30 Fusion? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.